How to make the perfect jaw. A sharp, chiseled jaw like Henry Cavill's or Brad Pitt's isn't a gift of genetics or Photoshop. It's the result of a few simple things you can pull off at home. And the first thing you need to understand is this. A jawline isn't made by exercises, but by getting rid of what's hiding it. First, and the most important, lose overall body fat. Here's the bitter truth. The sellers of miracle gadgets hide from you. You can't burn fat in one spot on your face. Your face slims down together with your body. So a calorie deficit, high protein, and lifting iron, and somewhere around 12 to 15% body fat, that same jawline surfaces on its own, like it was always there. You already have it, it's just under a layer of fat. Second, keep your protein high and lift weights. When you're losing weight, protein protects your muscle so that fat melts away instead of you yourself. Without it, you'll slim down into gaunt instead of chiseled. This is the foundation for everything else. Third, cut salt and processed food. Half of a puffy face isn't fat, it's water that sodium holds onto. Cut the salt and the puffiness drains within a day or two, and your jawline surfaces. Season your food with lemon and spices, and the potassium from a banana, avocado, or spinach will flush out the excess water. Fourth, drink enough water, 8 to 10 glasses. Sounds like a paradox, but here's how it works. When you drink too little, your body panics and stockpiles water in reserve, and your face swells. Drink enough, and your body lets go of the extra fluid, and the puffiness goes down. A lean jaw loves water. Fifth, cut the alcohol. One boozy party, and for the next 2 or 3 days, you walk around with a puffy, blurry face and no jaw at all. Drop the drinking, and your face dries out, and the corners of your jaw come through. Beer with a belly hits twice at once, with water and with fat. Sixth, sleep 7 to 9 hours on your back, with your head slightly raised. When you sleep on your stomach or flat, water drains into your face overnight, and in the morning, you meet the mirror all swollen. On your back with your head elevated, the fluid doesn't pool, and you wake up with a sharper face. Seventh, a quick trick before a photo or a date. Ice water. Dunk your face in a bowl of ice water for 10 to 15 seconds, or press a cold towel to it. The cold instantly constricts your blood vessels, drives off the puffiness, and your jaw gets sharper right now. Models do this before a shoot. Eighth, fix your posture. It's a free and instant fix. Slouching and a head pushed forward literally draw you a double chin out of thin air. Straighten your back, tuck your chin in slightly, stretch your neck, and the jawline appears with zero effort. A slouched person always looks jawless, no matter what's hiding under the skin. Ninth, mewing, proper tongue position. Keep your entire tongue pressed against the roof of your mouth throughout the day, instead of letting it flop on the floor of your mouth. It slightly emphasizes the jawline and pulls the face upward. Just don't overdo it. Too much pressure over the years can mess up your bite. It's a nice bonus, not the main exercise. 10th, chew firm gum or mastic gum. Chewing works the masseter, the chewing muscle, by the corner of your jaw, and it gets wider and more defined, like a bicep from a barbell. But honestly, the effect is modest, and you only see it when there's no fat on top. Building muscle under a layer of fat is training something nobody will ever see. So, first drive off the fat and water with a deficit, water, and less salt and booze, then add muscle with gum, and hold your posture, and the jaw you thought you didn't have will simply surface. Drop a comment telling me which step you'll start with today, and subscribe. There are plenty more upgrades for your look coming.